In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background color in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option does, and how to dial in a color that fits your design perfectly. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're inside your design, look to the left-hand sidebar. Among the tools there, you'll see an option labeled Background. Go ahead and click that. This panel is your hub for anything that lives behind your content, and it gives you two simple paths: solid colors or images. If you want a clean, consistent look, choose a color. If you'd like a more textured or photographic feel, you can browse Canva's stock photos here and set one as your background. The moment you select something, Canva applies it to your canvas so you can instantly see how it looks behind your text, shapes, and images. This instant preview makes it easy to try a few options and pick what fits best. To fine-tune a color, look for the palette icon. Clicking it opens a broader set of color choices beyond the quick swatches you see initially. From there, select the plus sign to open the color picker. This is where you can really customize. Click and drag inside the color panel to explore different hues and intensities until you land on the exact shade you want. If you already have a brand color, you can type in its hex code in the field provided. A hex code is a 6-character color value commonly used in design, and entering it ensures you get a precise match every time. As you adjust the color, watch how your design responds. The background updates immediately, which helps you judge whether your text stays readable and your images stand out. If a color feels too bright or too muted, simply drag again in the color panel, or try another option from the palette. When deciding between a solid color and a photo, think about your content. Solid colors keep things simple and professional, while photos can add mood and context. Whatever you choose, aim for contrast so your text, icons, and key visuals are easy to see at a glance. That's all there is to it. Open your project. Click Background on the left. Pick either a color or a stock photo. Use the palette icon for more choices, and tap the plus sign to drag in the color panel or enter a hex code. Experiment a little, trust your eye, and settle on the background that makes your design shine.